My DeFi life, a compass true, leading us to the...
G'day Degens, meme maniacs, it's Bruce, I'm back. Welcome back to my DeFi life. I'm back in the studio. I know it's been a couple of weeks, but it's time to get back to the grind, creating more content for some great tools out there in the meme space. And none better to start with than the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel. Today we've got a very longish kind of video for you, but I've created chapters in the timeline below, so make sure you check out the chapters to find out what features you want to focus on for the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel. But there are a lot of features that we put together for the Premium channel, so you're in for a great video, whichever you focus on. So let's dive in. The links to everything premium for the Degen Meme Calls is in the description of the video, so make sure you check that out as well. Let's run in and have a look at the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel. So which chain do we currently operate on with the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel? That would be the Solana blockchain. Now we've had talks about moving over to the base chain as well as Tron, but we're not doing that just yet. Most of the volume, or pretty much majority of the volume, is currently on Solana. So we're going to stick to Solana and make our products as best as we possibly can. And once we've done that, we'll then consider moving over to other chains as well. Now, what can you do with the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel? There are some really awesome options available right now for the Premium channel. Now, take note of when this video was recorded. This is October. This is the first half of October 2024. So depending on when you're watching this video, things may be very different after a couple of months. So be aware that things might have changed since I recorded this video. But as of the recording of this video, these are the current options we have for the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel. We have the Degen Wallet Checker, where you can scan Solana-based wallets. You can also scan contracts to find the top 100 profitable wallets. More details on that in a minute. We have the CTO calls, community takeover calls, that we provide on the Premium channel. Smart money calls provided by top wallets found on the Solana blockchain, providing great calls and consistent good calls. We also have pump fund signals. So pump fund signals are signals that come from pump fund, where tokens are going to migrate to Radium. They have migrated to Radium, DEX paid, that kind of things. So we have various signals from pump fund that premium members can trade manually if they do wish to do that. We are working also behind the scenes on providing a calls channel for pump fund signals. So something that is very filtered, allows people to be able to invest in calls that come from our Premium channel that are from the pump fund signals. But those are not available just yet. Probably will be in the very near future, but at the moment they're just signals where people can trade those manually at this time. We also have live streams that I do weekly. I provide updates on the community trading on our Premium calls, and I also provide airdrops for Premium members as well on a weekly basis. There's some very good information that I put forth on these live streams, and at the end of those live streams, I do many giveaways for the Premium channel subscribers as well. We also have an affiliate program for people who wish to share our products with their friends and family. If you want to bring other people on board, you'll get a cut of the subscription model that we give out for those particular Premium channels as well. And partnerships, we have various partnerships with trading bots, as well as we're working on APIs to provide other partners that wish to utilize our wallet checking services, which is very good. So I'm going to get into those details right now. But before we do, the Premium membership, we have 3 different types of Premium memberships. The full access membership is currently $45 per month, where you'll get access to everything under the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel. And then we have the $30 per month memberships. We have 2 variations of that. One is the Telegram side of things, where you get access to the Premium Telegram. You get access to the calls, the signals, various Premium wallets for copy trading, all those things on the Telegram channel. We also have the Premium Wallet Checker, $30 per month, if you want to get that just by itself, where you can scan Solana wallets, you can batch scan, you can scan token contracts to find the top 100 profitable wallets, you can do a wallet vault search, you can save to favorite wallets. There's many things you can do with the Premium Wallet Checker. Those are 2 separate memberships, $30 per month. But if you want the full membership, $45 per month, we'll get you both of those together in one package. So very competitive package. Most Premium channels that provide these kind of services are upwards of $100 per month subscription. So this is an incredible deal for you guys to get involved with this Premium Meme Calls channel on the Solana blockchain. Now, the subscription process to get onto the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel is very simple. There is a link in the description of this video. I will show you right now on the screen. you can just jump over to that link and you'll get straight onto the Telegram bot. Now, if you hit start in the menu there for the Telegram bot, and once you click the start button, you'll have to join the communication channel first in order to use the Degen wallet checker. So make sure you join the blog first so you can get all the updates across the board. Come back and click on the menu for the Degen wallet checker and start utilizing the bot. You will see a little link there for the premium channel. Subscribe to the premium channel and it will walk you through what you need to do to purchase that subscription model that you're looking for. The one, whether it's $30 per month or $45 per month for the full package, totally up to you. But just click on that link below in the description of the video and click on the start menu, click on the premium options, and then send to the wallet address that is listed in the bot to get started with the premium channel. After you've finished subscribing to the premium channel, you'll get an invite link to the premium Telegram channel where you'll find all those calls, those signals, the wallet vault search, the premium wallets, the signals for pump fund, everything under the sun in that Telegram link will be there for you to take advantage of once you've signed up for that full package or the $30 per month package as well. Now let's take a dive down into each individual feature we have here on the Degen Meme Calls premium channel. And the first and foremost is the Degen wallet checker. The one that started all this off is we created a Degen wallet checker to scan Solana wallets in order for you to find potentially good traders to copy trade on Solana. Now there are various trading bots that you can get involved with, Trojan, TradeWiz being just the first two that come to mind, but you need good wallets in order to copy trade. So we created this bot in order to find good wallets. So it's a very, very impressive wallet searching bot, and we're going to run through the details right now. A quick overview of the Degen wallet checker will tell you we can do batch scans of Solana wallets. I think right now the limit is 20 wallets per scan, but we're aiming to get that up to 50 or possibly even more in the very near future. Possibly by the time you're watching this, it could already be upgraded. Scan token contracts for top 100 profitable wallets. So if you paste in a meme token into the Degen wallet checker, you'll be able to get the top 100 profitable wallets of that specific token. And from there, you'll be able to scan each individual wallet or batch scan a bunch of wallets from that token result and get some excellent wallets for you to copy trade. Vault search, we currently have also a vault search. Our bot is scanning 10,000 plus wallets per day and saving the best for you guys on the premium channel. You can do a vault search right there in the Degen wallet checker bot in order to find the best wallets. So there's many ways to find incredible wallets to copy trade through the Degen wallet checker. We also have features like save favorite wallets. There's 20 available slots for your favorite wallet section if you want to save wallets, to keep an eye on those and recheck them every few days. There's also Excel wallet sheet reports. So every time you scan a wallet, you'll get individual reports of each wallet on their trades, and you can dive into those trades and have a look at how they're trading before you start copy trading that particular wallet. So from the top down, you can find hundreds of wallets every day, scan those wallets, and then do a deep dive and checking those transactions on each individual wallet that you wish to copy trade. So there's many options here for the Degen wallet checker in order for you to start copy trading some great wallets. Let's jump in and have a look at some of those features right now on the Degen wallet checker. All right, let's have a breakdown of the Degen wallet checker. Now, once you have successfully subscribed to the premium channel, you will be already inside the Degen wallet checker. You just have to click on that start menu, which is right down here. Click on start and you'll get this screen, your membership, referrals and favorites and wallet vault. Now, we'll go into referrals a little bit later in this video, but let's just jump in and start utilizing the Degen wallet checker. Now, the first thing you can do with the Degen wallet checker is the thing that it was designed for, and that is to scan wallets. All you need to do is paste in a wallet address and then hit enter, and it will take a few seconds and that wallet will be scanned, providing you with a report that you can go over, deciding on whether you want to copy trade that wallet. Now, the first thing you look at after the analysis is the overview of the P&L over the last 30 days or more. You can see the trades that have been happening and the profit that they've been making over that period. So that's very handy. Now, below that overview, we also have a summary for the wallet. And we have the wallet address at the top. We also have the balance that is available in the Solana wallet. Very important to know if there is any Solana in that wallet still. If there is 0 Solana in that wallet, then usually it means they're not trading anymore. So you can skip that wallet altogether. But once you see the balance, there is some balance. You can see the trading period that they've been trading, the average duration of their trades. So obviously the longer the trade, the better. You don't want someone who's scalping or sniping. The last trade that they did, which is very handy to know. And then we have the profit and loss over that trading period. This one, 28 or 29 Solana. The return on investment over that period of time, 53 or 54%. And the win rate, which means the amount of trades they win as opposed to the amount of trades they lose. So they're winning 86% of the time, which is fantastic. Very, very healthy wallet, that one. The average invested, 1.45 Solana. So obviously you don't want that to be too high. If you're going to copy trade a wallet and they're investing 5, 10, 15 or 20 Solana, then that's not going to go very well for you in terms of copy trading, because they're going to make you buy in at a higher price and then they're going to make you sell at a lower price. So always important to try and copy trade someone who's on the lower end of the side of average invested. 1, 2 or 3 Solana is a great kind of starting point to start copy trading wallets. Anything above that, then you start after looking at the market cap for particular tokens to make sure that you're not going to get higher prices when you copy trade these traders. Total trades over that period of time, 37. So if you can see up here, 134 days, 37 trades. So this guy's not trading too often, but obviously when he does trade, he's doing very, very well. So to me, this is a fantastic wallet. And if you get 10 wallets just like this, then you're going to be doing pretty well, I think. So winning trades, 32, losing trades 5, and there's only 2 snipes. So that is very, very nice. And then at the very bottom, we have average buys per token 1. So they're buying 1 time per trade. So that is fantastic. So they're buying 1 time per token. You don't want traders who are buying 5, 10 times per token, because then you'll start losing a lot of money. Average buys per day, 1 at this point, but it's obviously below 1 with 37 trades over 134 days. But that doesn't matter. If we find 5 to 10 wallets that are just like this, then we're doing pretty well. And then sold more than bought. You can see 0%, which is fantastic. Sometimes some wallets will receive tokens like airdrops or be a dev as part of a token launch, and they'll have tokens already in their wallet and then sell more than they've actually bought. So you want to try and avoid wallets that are doing that too much, and this guy doesn't have any of that, so that's fantastic. Now with each report, you'll get these little buttons below here, add to favorites or copy trade with TradeWiz. So you can just go straight onto TradeWiz if you do wish to copy trade that token. We have a partnership with TradeWiz, which helps support our Degen Meaningfuls channel. So that is fantastic. And TradeWiz are a very, very good team, very much aligned with our own vision of trying to make profits for our community. So that is fantastic. We also have this add to favorites section here. Click on that button and that will add that wallet to your favorites. And at any point in time, you can go back to your favorites and have a look at them and reassess those wallets. We'll go back into that in a minute. But that is a simple report. Now, one of the most important things is this little download link here. Now you can download the spreadsheet, which will give you the details of all these trades that are listed here in the preview for the graph chart here. If you want to go into further detail of a wallet, you can do that and go into more transactions and have a look at those transactions and see what kind of trader that these people are in order to see if they're suitable to be copy traded. Let's have a look at that spreadsheet right now for this particular wallet. Okay, when you download the spreadsheet that is attached to the preview of a wallet, this is what you're going to get, the results of their last number of trades over a period of about 30 days. So at the very top, you're going to have some overview of stats. It's important to quickly read through these stats to get an idea of how this wallet trades. So the very most important facts we have, top left corner, the return on investment, 53%, 54%, profit and loss in Solana, 29 in this situation. The win rate, so that how many times they win as opposed to losing. So 86% of the time, this wallet is winning. And then over the top here, we have balance of SOL left in the wallet. Important factor, because if there is 0 Solana in the wallet, then this wallet is usually not trading anymore. So gross profit, Solana, net profit in Solana, all very important stuff. And this is all very green, so very, very nice. Then we have the invested Solana and the returned Solana. So a nice detail there. No scam or rogue tokens, important. Buy fees, sell fees, and total fees. So that's also interesting data as well. One factor to always look at is the sell transactions. If they are higher than the buy transactions, usually means it's a fairly decent trader and possibly not a bot. So good to look at that. Then we have the amount of tokens, 37 tokens over a period of 134 days. So this trader is not trading often, maybe 3 times a week, if that, but when they are trading, obviously very good results. So when you find a wallet like this, always good to hold onto a wallet like this and then find a handful of other wallets like this, so you're at least getting 1 or 2 trades per day if you can. So we have the average duration that they are trading, 51 minutes. So that means they're holding the token for an average of 51 minutes, sometimes a lot shorter, sometimes a lot longer, but this is just the average duration. And then snipes, the times where they're buying and selling within 30 seconds is only 2 snipes out of 37 tokens, which is a pretty good result. Now beneath those details, we also have the report date, the wallet that you've just scanned, the winning trades versus the losing trades, and the average Solana per trade. Now this is also an important factor. The average Solana per trade, I usually like between 1 and 3 Solana myself. Anything above that starts to get a little bit sketchy, and you need to start figuring out the kind of market caps these traders are investing in. If they're investing in like 5 to 10 Solana, usually that means you're going to miss out on gains because they're moving the price themselves. Now, if we move across to the left-hand side of the report, we have the tokens that this trader has invested in. SPL in and SPL out just refers to the amount of tokens they've purchased in regards to BTC Dog, for example, and the amount of tokens they've sold. So if this number is equal, then that is all good. Occasionally, some traders will sell more tokens than they've bought, which means they've received airdrops, or maybe they're part of a development team for launching tokens. So sometimes that is a bit of a red flag, but if it's not too many, then that's okay. But if you get a lot of times where the tokens, where they're selling more tokens than they've bought, best to avoid those traders, because those are red flags for you to avoid. Now the buy amount in Solana, you can see for every trade, this guy's putting in an average of about 1 to 1.5 Solana, occasionally a bit higher, but still within a good range for you to copy trade those particular trades. I think, like I said earlier, when you get above 5 Solana, somewhere between 5 and 10, that's when you start having to kind of limit those trades, because a lot of these tokens are very, very low market caps. So you're going to miss out on copy trading or making profits with these copy trades if these traders are moving the price before you get in. So very important to note that. And next to that, we have the sold amount. So you have the buy amount here, 3 Solana, and then the sold amount. So you can see the profits right there. 4 Solana bought here, 6.1 sold. So you can see the profit and loss right there. Then we have the buy and sell fees. So the fees per trade, the current position, if they're still holding any of those positions. So this guy is a pretty legit trader. He's getting out of these tokens pretty quickly, but not too quick in order for you to copy trade. Now here we have these highlighted columns, the gross profit, and net profit percentage. Always good to see these. Now these are highlighted in green and red to show you the negative trades and the positive trades. As you can see, this guy is winning 86% of the time, so it's a very, very impressive trader, this one. And his percentages, on average, between 50 and 100%, occasionally has a really good trade, 100% there, 600% there, but on average between 50 and 100%. And you can see at the top here, the ROI is 53%. So you need to keep that into consideration when the ROI is around about 50%. Make sure you're investing enough Solana to cover the fees when you're only earning 50% return on the investment when you're copy trading someone like this. So very impressive trader, this one, and you can see the green and reds here. Even when he's losing, he's really limiting that loss. One bad loss, that's nothing too bad, and then 136% loss, but overall very, very positive. Now we have the buy transactions and the sell transactions columns. You can see some yellow highlighted sells here when the trader buys more than one time on a token. That's been highlighted to let you know that there are multiple buys happening per token. So when you copy trade, it's best not to copy trade someone who's buying multiple times on a token. Now you can avoid multiple buys with bots like TradeWiz. It really helps you to avoid getting too deep into a token when a trader is buying 3, 4, or 5 times per trade per token. So this is not too bad. If on too many occasions the trader is buying multiple times, probably best to avoid that. But on this occasion, it's really not too bad. There's only a couple of times where he's buying more than twice. So this trader is not too bad in regards to the buy and sell transaction percentages. So I wouldn't worry too much about this one, but that's something to look into if you start looking at researching wallets and stuff. Now we have the first buy and last sell time frames. I don't worry too much about these, except for the fact that make sure that the trader is still active. So today's date is relevant, 9th of the 10th, 2024. If you find a wallet that is like the last trade was about a week ago, then unless he's doing exceptional trades,
over a period of 2 or 3 months, then that's something to look into. But if you're looking for someone who's trading regularly every day, then make sure you keep an eye on these dates, the last trading dates, to make sure that someone that's active. The trade duration here we have column, it's the duration they bought and sold the token. So if you're going to get someone who's sniping a token, you can see these yellow cells are highlighted here, 20 seconds and 5 seconds. So these are generally called snipes or scalps, where a trader comes in, buys a token and sells within 30 seconds. So you want to avoid copy trading people who do that too often. We've only got 2 times here where they've sniped a token. The rest are all pretty good. 4 minutes, 1 minute, 9 minutes. The most of these tokens are generally pretty good. There's one less than a minute there. So if you utilize a trading bot like TradeWiz, the fastest Telegram copy trading bot on the market, then you're going to be okay with this kind of trader. But if you get too many highlighted yellows here, the snipes, then you're going to be in strife, and I wouldn't worry too much about trying to copy trade someone who's sniping or scalping more often than not. And then across the back here, we have the contract for each individual token, if you wish to look into that token. But the fantastic thing is over on the left hand side, the actual token name is linkable. So this will take you over to Photon, where you can actually have a look at the trade itself. Now this will open up Photon, and then you can jump back over, copy this wallet address and have a look at the trade as it happened on the blockchain. So just paste that wallet address in there and you can see the buy and sell right there. So this particular example, he bought and sold pretty fast, about 3 minutes roundabout, but still made a nice profit of about $20. Now that's a pretty low average profit right there. But if you go down to something like this one here, CZ back. So CZ Binance got out of jail, so that went quite well. So let's have a look at the result of that token and how the trader went with that. Made 600%. So let's just put in that wallet address. Let's just scroll back to where they made their trade. Fantastic entry point there. Sold here and also sold on the back end of the dip. Impressive stuff. They invested $158, pretty much got about $1,200 out of that. So very, very impressive returns on that one. So like I said, this trader is pretty good in my opinion. One of my favorite traders that I'm currently copy trading. 86% win rate, doing really well. And not trading all that often. But like I said, if you find 5 to 10 of these kind of wallets and you have them all active, you might get 1 or 2 trades a day. And if you get 2 wins at about 50 to 100% per day, when you're investing maybe 0.25, 0.35 Solana, then you're going to be making about 1 Solana a day. So it's as simple as that. Now that is the report that you will download for each individual wallet review. If you wish to go deeper into the wallets, having a look at those trades and how they're trading, making sure that they're not sniping the launch of the tokens, making sure that they're not scalping, that they're not getting in and out of these tokens within a few seconds, so you can actually copy trade these guys. So that is an overview of the report that you'll get with each scan of a wallet through the Degen wallet checker. Okay, that was the simple part of scanning a single wallet. Now we have batch scans as well, the Degen wallet checker. So what you can do is you can scan multiple wallets at one time. Now we have up to 20 wallets being able to be scanned right now at one time. In the future, there will be 50 wallets or more. Now all you need to do is paste different wallets on a new line if you want to do multiple scans or batch scans, just like this example right here. Just going to show you this example, how you actually enter multiple wallets. Now, you can, like I said, you can add up to 20 wallets at a time to batch scan and just hit enter, and they will batch scan those wallets within seconds. Here we're just doing 3 wallets. Now, how do I get multiple wallets in order to batch scan? That leads me to another feature that we have on the Degen wallet checker, which is actually being able to scan contracts to find the top 100 profitable wallets for that contract. Now let's do that. So I can grab a bunch of wallets and show you how the batch scan really works, and it's very effective when it comes to hunting for good wallets. Now what I'm going to do here is jump onto Desk Screener, go onto the Solana network, and I'm going to find great tokens over the last 24 hours that I can do a scan on to find the top 100 profitable wallets. Now we're looking for something that's been around for preferably a little bit longer than a few hours. So let's have a look at Opus. Claude Opus has been around for 15 hours, up to 468k market cap. So let's have a quick look at this particular token. Now all we need to do is grab the contract for that token. As you can see here, right up here next to the name, there's the contract. Copy that contract
jump back over to the Degen wallet checker, and here to scan a contract, you need to type in /CA with a space and then paste that contract into the Degen wallet checker. Now that will bring back a report for the top 100 profitable wallets for you to download, and that's done that in just a few seconds. So let's download that and we'll have a look at that report and show you how that works. We'll grab a bunch of wallets that we can do a batch scan on. Okay, that has brought back the top 100 profitable wallets for that particular token. And you can see we've got a bunch of wallets here, and you can see we've got 100 wallets down the left-hand side here. As you can see, the order of these wallets is in P&L, or profit and loss. This first wallet made 21,000 in profit, and so on and so forth. We go down the list there. So this is the top 100 profitable wallets for that particular contract that we just scanned, Claude Opus. What we need to do now is just collect these wallet addresses. Now I'm just going to collect a handful, about 20 odd wallets here for us to scan and show you how that batch scan works in full flight. So I'm just going to put these wallets all on a different line, and then I'm going to paste them into the Degen wallet checker right here. As you can see, we've done our top 100 traders for that particular contract. I've now got the top 20 wallet addresses to batch scan from that token, and we'll see the results start to come through very, very shortly. Now these will pop up every few seconds, a new wallet with a new preview and an overview of that wallet, profit and loss, etc. As you can see, it's starting to appear right now. Now, as these filter through, you can have a look, see if there's anything you like, and just wait for those filters to come through. 20 wallets only takes a few seconds to do, so we'll give that a few seconds to filter through. And you'll notice at the end of that batch scan, you'll get a little report. Batch check completed, submitted 20, processed 20, and 0 failed. Now, this is a very, very new feature that is just coming in today as of recording of this video. Batch scans will be able to be filtered if you want to filter them. Now, those filters will be set through the actual wallet vault. So I'll be getting to the wallet vault very, very shortly, but these features that you set for the wallet vault in order to search for profitable wallets, these filters will also be used for the batch scans. So just so you know, that batch completed report is related to the wallet vault searches. The filters that you use for wallet vault will also be used for the batch scans. So if any wallets sit outside of those filters that you set for the wallet vault, they will sit in the failed section and will not be processed and will not show up in the preview here that you've got here. So that is how batch scans works. You can paste in up to 20 wallets at a time right now. Again, there will be 50 or more wallets at a time coming soon for batch scans, and I will go through a more complete process of filtering those batch scans as well in a new video coming very, very soon. So let's actually jump into the vault search so you can get an idea of how to search our vault for the many, many wallets that we scan every day. We scan up to about 10,000 wallets per day, trying to find the most profitable wallets for the premium community. So this will bring up the filters for the wallet vault. So you just need to set these filters to find some of the profitable wallets that we search for every day through the Degen wallet checker. Now the Degen wallet checker scans about 10,000 wallets per day. So there's a lot of wallets to go through in the vault, and these filters will sort out the good wallets from the bad ones. So these filters you can set to your own settings to make sure you get the wallets that you want to look into in order to copy trade. Starting from the top, the win rate. So obviously we want a good win rate for wallets. So probably want to find something about the 65% range win rate, ROI. Let's set the ROI. Let's go for something around about 50% or more. And then profit and loss. Let's go for about 10 Solana in profit overall trading. Total trades. Now for total trades, I always go for about 10 or more. So we want some data to be able to analyze for these traders. So 10 more trades. Trading period, we're going to leave it about 20 days or more. Average duration, half a minute or more. So we're looking for 30 seconds and above. Obviously a duration, we want a few minutes or more to be ideal, but we still want to grab the wallets that are half a minute or more in terms of duration. Okay, average invested is 1 sol. We can change this average invested. Perhaps we can go 0.5 sol and up for the average invested. Sounds like a good plan. Average buys per token is 3 or less, and the average buys per day 30 or less. We'll leave that 30 so we can capture a few other different traders as well. Snipes. Now the percentage of snipes, 15% of the total trades or less. So we don't want someone who's going to be sniping a lot. So 15% or less. Traders who have sold more than bought, 15% or less
from their trading portfolios. So we don't want people who are selling more than they've bought. Obviously they're getting airdrops, various other things, possibly devs launching tokens. Last trade we're going to keep to 2 days, and the last updated 15 days ago. So those are the settings we're going to go with the vault, and if we just hit search on the vault, we're going to get the results based on those filters. So from those filters we now have 25 wallets that we can run through and do scans on and do deeper dives on if we wish to. Now you'll see we have the usual stats here based on the same information that we receive when we do one scan of one wallet. So the same information is here, and all we need to do is go through each particular wallet, see if the wallet is worth more investigation. Below this information we also have add to favorites, which we'll get to in a minute, download all results, next and previous. So you can scroll through each individual wallet and check out the details for each wallet to find out whether you want to copy trade that wallet or perhaps do more investigation into that wallet. But you also have the download all results, so that will download an Excel spreadsheet and get all these 25 wallets for you to have a look at. So we download that, and if we jump into that, we can have a look at those wallets in a file, an Excel spreadsheet file, and these are those wallet vault results that you just received through the Degen wallet checker on an Excel spreadsheet. Now these wallets here, you can click on these individual wallets to search for details on GMGN, so this will give you information based on that. Or if you don't wish to do that and just wish to utilize the Degen wallet checker, you can scroll through each individual preview here and decide whether you want to have more details on that wallet. So we can copy that wallet address, paste it here, and scroll through and check out some of these other wallets. If you find anything that's good, you can also copy that address and do some batch scans as well. Copy these addresses and put them in here to get more details on each specific wallet, if you do wish to take that route in terms of sticking to the Degen wallet checker and not going through things like GMGN. Totally up to you whether you want to do that review on the sheet, on the spreadsheet here, go through GMGN, or jump back into here and do it through the Degen wallet checker. Personally, I've been using the Degen wallet checker for all of my stuff. I'm going to continue to do that. If I find good wallets, I'll stick to putting them in here in Degen wallet checker and then downloading their individual spreadsheet in order to get the details for those particular wallets that we can have a look at. When you find good wallets that you quite like and you wish to save those wallets, you can do it here from the vaults, with the vault results right there, or you can go down here when you have rescanned these wallets for further details. You can add them to your favorites from here as well. So there is an add to favorites button. If you do wish to utilize that, you can add 20 wallets to your favorites section, and when you have plenty of wallets in your favorite section, go back to the start menu, click on favorites, and it'll come up with all the favorites that you've added into your Degen wallet checker. And again, you can scroll through these, check out these wallets, get an update on the wallets that you favorited. Also, you can download all results on your favorite sections as well, just like we did with the wallet vault search, and check out those wallets through GMGN as well. Get all the details right there in front of you to get more information about the wallets that you want to copy trade. So the Degen wallet checker has some fantastic features for you to check out, for you to find some profitable wallets. Of course, copy trading these is another story again. We'll catch those in another video, but finding good wallets is half the work and probably the most important part of the work of copy trading, in my opinion. So that is a walkthrough of the Degen wallet checker. We do have some other features coming very, very soon. Batch scan 50 or more wallets. Currently the limit is 20 wallets. Batch filters, which I've shown you here, is currently working, but there will be some updates coming this week, and I'll probably go through that in another video, in a more specific detailed video for batch filters. But at the moment, your batch filters are determined by what you set in your wallet vault scans, your wallet vault searches. So keep that in mind when you're doing your wallet vault search, that those batch filters will also work for the batch scans. Our market cap estimates on entry. So we are currently working on getting the market cap estimates on entry for the report for individual wallets. So let's have a look at that real quick. So if we have a look at a report for one of the wallets, here you have all those details which I've explained earlier in the video. There will be a column here which will show you the value of the market cap upon the first entry for this particular trader. So each token will have a value, what the value of that market cap was upon entry for this trader. So it'll give you an idea of what's working and what's not. And you can see over here the failed trades and the successful trades, you'll be able to correlate those with the market cap entry point, so you can try and set some filters in order to avoid kitting in on the trades where they're failing. So that market cap entry point will be coming in the reports very, very soon. And we also have find common top traders across multiple contracts. Now soon, the Wallet Vault will be able to spit out daily reports and probably weekly reports to find the top traders across multiple contracts. So we'll be able to save in the background all the contracts that we're scanning and find the common top traders across all of those tokens. And that report will come out probably daily or possibly even weekly or possibly both. So that is a new feature that is coming very, very soon. So keep an eye out for that as well. Some fantastic features on the way for the Degen wallet checker, and all for a low price of $45 per month. How can you beat that? You can't. Now, some of the results that have been coming through for the copy trading P&L cards from the community on the premium channel has been absolutely incredible to see some of the gains that have been made. You can see here we have 532, 2000%, 1000%, 100, 500, 300. Some fantastic gains being made from our premium channel via the wallets found through the Degen wallet checkers. So you can rest assured that some of the wallets that are being found, as long as you're putting in the effort and you're putting in the work to find those wallets, you're going to be making some fantastic gains. So that is impressive for the Degen wallet checker. Now moving on to the CTO calls that we have on our premium channel. What this means is the dev has sold all their holdings and now it is a community takeover token. So effectively or technically, it's a community takeover token when the dev sells all their holdings. And what we do is we provide those calls on our channel. And once we provide those calls, we also filter them down once again to make things a little bit safer. So we filter those down to about 4 or 5 calls per day, just to make sure we're trying to get the most safest calls as possible. We could probably provide 20 or 30 calls a day for these CTO calls, but honestly, you're probably not going to have a very good win rate if we just let them all go through into the calls channel. So we have filtered those calls, and these are the filters that we have for the CTO calls here. We have minimum liquidity, $10,000, minimum market cap, 100,000 or more, max holders, 500, max open time of 30 minutes, so that means it has to be open 30 minutes or more, minimum 5-minute volume, 5K, and minimum 5-minute transactions, 100. So there are many CTO calls that happen every day. I think it might be between 50 and 100, but we filter those down to try and make things a lot safer. Now, I personally tested these calls over 2 weeks in order to test and make sure that these calls were good. And of course, we adjust them over time as the market shifts as well. My initial tests were about 70% win rate for these CTO calls. Now, you can trade these calls manually if you do wish to, but you can also auto trade these calls on DeFi Solana bot. Now, we have partnered with DeFi Solana bot. Strategy number 6 is the Degen meme calls strategy for DeFi Solana bot. All you need to do is hook into DeFi Solana bot, set up strategy 6 to start auto trading those trades from the CTO calls. Now, you will auto trade those within a second of the call happening, and you'll start seeing the results coming in 4 or 5 times per day, as I said. Now, you can set up various aspects of those calls through DeFi Solana bot. I'm not going to go into those details right now. If you do wish to look into more of those details with DeFi Solana bot, make sure you jump onto the premium community, as we have all the answers for the auto trading stuff within the community already. So great options there. CTO calls can be manually traded if you do wish to do the manual trading, or can be auto traded through DeFi Solana bot if you wish to do that as well. So that is fantastic.
Now, on top of our CTO calls, we also have smart money calls. Now, smart money calls are a bit different to the CTO calls. We manually curate our smart money calls from smart traders. So how do we do that? We basically find top-notch wallets from our Degen wallet checker, which I've showed you already in this video, and we manually add trades that are made by these wallets into a calls channel called Smart Money Calls. Now, how do we curate these wallets? Now, I personally curate these wallets myself. I curate them every day. So if there's a misbehaving wallet that is not trading very well, I'll remove him from the Smart Money Calls. Majority of the wallets are found in the vault that we use for our Smart Money Calls, and they're generally wallets that trade with an 80% or more win rate. These traders are not snipers, they're not scalpers, they don't get in and out of trades within 30 seconds or 1 minute. Generally, I find wallets that are very, very good and trade for a duration of minutes or more, so 5, 10, 15, possibly 1 hour, even longer in some cases. But the point is, we don't want bad traders, we don't want quick traders, we want We do not want traders that are sniping launches. We do not want traders that are scalping in a few seconds, because they're no good for smart money calls at all. So how do I curate these wallets? Well, we have our own little bot that I'll show you in a second, where I add and remove wallets every day in regards to creating these smart money calls. So I'll jump into the actual bot and I'll show you how that works. But we generally get about 10 or so calls every day from the amount of wallets that I have in our smart money calls database. So let's jump in to that bot and I'll show you how I curate these wallets. So here we have created a bot where I can add and remove wallets and disable wallets if necessary in order to create these smart money calls. Now, like I said earlier, I curate these wallets every day. I search our databases through the wallet vault in order to find fantastic wallets that are trading and doing fantastic trades. But like I said, not sniping or not scalping. Now, in order for me to do that, I just have to add a smart wallet, paste the wallet address in here. I just paste the wallet address, like this example right here, paste that wallet address in, and then I'll need to go in and just double check that the wallet is trading correctly. So you can see the details, the previews. Win rate is 172%, but he's doing some fantastic trades overall. So we're going to try and add this smart money wallet to the calls today, and then we just hit activate and go back, and that is now activated, that wallet. Now, if I find wallets are not performing very well, all I need to do is click on that wallet and then pause that wallet, and that will be paused from there on in, and no more calls will come from that wallet. Of course, if wallet is dead in the water, there's no SOL left in the balance, and obviously they're not trading anymore, then I can remove that altogether. So very, very easily done. So that is how I curate the smart money wallets. Where do you find those smart money calls? On the DMC Academy channel, you'll go to the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel, and you can just scroll down here and you can find Smart Money Degen Meme Calls bot number 1. And these calls are happening every day. We're getting about 10 or so calls a day for the Smart Money calls. So you can find those smart money calls on our Degen Meme Calls Premium channel. And like I said, I curate those every day, and I try and make sure that we've got great wallets doing great trades every day so people can get in and make some profits on those. So that's the CTO, Community Takeover, and Smart Money calls that we have on the Premium channel. We also have pump fund signals that are coming through onto the Premium channel. Now, it's important to understand that these are signals of certain events that are happening with pump fund tokens. They're not actually calls that we're curating or filtering right now. So they're actually signals of certain events, like we have pump fund migration signals. So when a token is about to migrate over to Radium, you have about 1 to 2 minutes to set up a trade for that token or sniping that Radium launch once that happens. We also have pump fund live migrations signals, which tells you the exact second a pump fund token goes over to Radium. So there's the two variations there. Pump fund migration signals, you have 1 to 2 minutes before a token goes to Radium. The pump fund live migrations is the signal when a token does reach Radium. And we also have pump fund King of the Hill notifications or signals to tell you when a token has reached King of the Hill. And we also have pump fund DEX paid tokens, where the DEX has been paid in terms of advertising for DEX screener. So there is various amounts of signals for pump fund if you do wish to trade those manually and select your own trades. Again, I iterate, these are not calls, these are signals coming from pump fund that you can monitor and trade manually in your own time. We have not yet figured out a strategy to filter pump fund calls for now, but we are working on it, rest assured. So we will come up with some pump fund, premium pump fund calls based on the monitors and the signals that we get, and based on some filters that we derive from the data that we do gather. So on the actual channel, you'll be able to go into the Degen Meme Calls Premium channel, and you'll be able to see here we have DEX paid, all the signals coming where the DEX has been paid. We also have pump fund King of the Hill, notifying you of all the King of the Hill tokens. Then we have pump migrations. These are the ones that will let you know about 1 to 2 minutes prior to migration, which means you have time in order to set some snipes up for when the migration happens on Radium. So if people wish to snipe pump fund migrations, you can do so here on this channel and get those signals. Now, we also have live pump migrations. So these are tokens that have actually just gone over to Radium. These are the signals to tell you that the token is now live on Radium. So some people like this particular channel, these signals, so they can wait 1 minute after reaching Radium and then get in on a potential dip for that token. So generally what would happen once a token moves over to Radium from pump fund, there'll be a slight dip. usually a sell-off within the 1 minute time frame, and after that 1 minute time frame, people like to get in on that token and buy that dip and try to take some gains, 50, 100, sometimes 200% on the gains made from that dip after radium. So those are the pump fund signals that you can certainly manually trade and do your own research on those, potentially snipe some radium launches that come from pump fund. So some really good options there for those signals. Like I said earlier, we are working on some calls for pump fund based on these signals. So we're trying to filter out some great calls, some great opportunities that we can actually get people in on. Instead of trying to trade these tokens manually, let's make some filtered calls from these pump fund signals so that people can get in on a safer play, possibly 60, 70% win rate for the calls that we make from pump fund. So stay tuned for that if you're in the premium channel. If you're not, plenty of options there. The CTO calls, the smart money calls, pump fund signals, we have quite a few options for you guys to make some money from, not to mention the wallet vault for copy trading as well, which you saw earlier. Here are some of the potential results that you see here in these charts, showing you what you could have earned if you start manually trading these pump fund signals. But also stay tuned in the very near future for premium pump fund calls on the premium DMC channel. Now, on top of those calls and signals, we also have weekly live streams. I call them Meme Mondays every Monday, usually 2 p.m. UTC, more or less, but stay tuned for the right times every week. I do Meme Mondays every week where I do 1 hour streams. We do channel updates, we do tutorials, and talk about the latest updates for the meme industry or the meme space. And I also do airdrops for premium members and membership giveaways for people on the free channel as well. On the membership side of things, you can actually go through and have a look at the live streams on the premium membership side of things. If you do miss the Meme Mondays, the time frame does not suit you, then you can come back on the premium channel and watch the live streams here available on the Telegram channel for the premium members. So that is a weekly thing that we do plenty of airdrops, usually between 0.5 and 1 Solana. If we're doing a meme giveaway as well, I'm giving away some tokens for the latest meme launch. So we do that as well with the Beans tokens. So plenty of opportunities for you to join in, get the updates, learn some stuff on the tutorials, maybe win an airdrop, and for the free members, potentially win a membership for 1 month to try out the premium side of things as well. So that is very, very handy. Now, some of the other benefits that we have for the premium side of things is we have an affiliate program. So if you want to earn some extra dollars, some extra rewards by inviting friends, you can do so using the Degen Meme Calls premium channel, as well as the Degen wallet checker. So you can invite friends to earn some percentages on their memberships. Currently the memberships are $30 and $45 per month. If you invite new friends, you'll be earning 10% of their subscription. So even if people renew as well, any renewals that come from your invitation, you will also earn 10% on that subscription as well. So not only will you earn on their initial sign up, but you'll also earn on their renewals as well. So 10%, as long as they're an active subscriber and consistently subscribing, you'll continue to earn 10% on their renewals. So if you actually do invite 10 new people, active subscribers, then your membership will be effectively for free because you're earning 10% of all those 10 active premium subscribers, effectively paying for your membership as well. So don't be shy, invite friends to come on, use your invite link. Now, where do you find your invite link to invite new members to come on board to the Degen Meme Calls? Go to the Degen wallet checker, just click on the start button, and you'll see a little button here called referrals. Just click on that, and you'll see your invite link is right here. The amount of referrals that you have, the total rewards. Currently the rewards are paid out manually, so notify me via DM every Monday. If you do have some referral rewards that need to be paid out, we're happy to pay that out every Monday to people who bring in new subscribers. So that is how you get your referral link. Just share that link with your friends on Telegram, wherever you want to share that link. Make sure you bring in new people and you will earn 10% from their subscription. So like I said, don't be shy, invite friends to come on. Our premium Telegram community, it's one of the best communities in the meme space for making money and profits from trading meme tokens. So don't be shy, invite friends to come on board. It could be the best thing that happens to them, you never know. Now, on top of that affiliate program that we also have partnerships. You can partner with us if you are a Telegram group or are a bot who wishes to utilize our services. We're currently partnered with TradeWiz, DeFi Solana bot, and GMGN trading platform and Telegram bot for trading in the meme sector. So that is fantastic. We want to build on those partnerships as well. And we also have APIs available for our Degen wallet checker if you wish to hook into our APIs in order to scan wallets, scan tokens, and look for top 100 profitable wallets and various other APIs that we add on to our Degen wallet checker that are coming in very, very soon. So DM me, Telegram link is in the description of this video to get in touch with me if you do wish to partner with us and start utilizing those APIs to get the benefits of our incredible wallet checker and wallet scanner that scans more than 10,000 wallets per day on the Solana network. So that is very, very impressive. Don't be shy, get in touch. We have plenty of new updates coming as well in the near future. Stay tuned for a new update on all the premium channel that has to offer in the very near future. Thanks Degens, meme maniacs, for watching that full walkthrough of the DJ Meme Calls premium channel. I know it was a long one, but there's plenty to cover on the channel. But if you're watching this a few weeks or even a month or so after the fact, make sure you get the updates because there's plenty of updates coming on the way that I probably haven't covered in this video. So keep an eye out for the next update for the DJ Meme Calls premium channel. Again, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe below. The links are all in the description below. I'll talk to you again soon in the next one. Cheers. Bye for now.
My DeFi life.